Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial I'll show you how to add keyframes in CapCut PC. First thing you need to do is to open CapCut application on your PC. Upload your clip, then click your clip or element in the timeline. Move the playhead to where the animation should start and then click the diamond icon next to the property you want to animate. You can find it on the right side bar of the video settings. You can do position, scale, etc. Now move the playhead to a new time. Adjust the property like move, size, etc. Now click the diamond icon again to set the second keyframe. And now all you have to do is to preview and adjust your video as needed. And that's it. You've created a simple keyframe animation. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.